Hi guys. Hi guys. This is gonna be first part of the fundamental algebra. Uh, let's start with some basic vocabulary and what they are mean. Constant, basically a number. You can go by any. In math, in general notation, we put k to cover any number you wish. Term, basically when you have any algebraic phrase along with it. Term basically goes by any element between two um, mathematical operation. For example, in this one, this is a term, this is a term, this could be a term. If I made up expression later on, for example, in this occasion, this expression contains or includes two terms. How do I know? Between two operations, between these two, I have one operation, so you can easily say there is two term over here. Variable, basically, we use any letter to cover up any unknown. You can go by any letter. These are the most common letters, but you can pick any one you wish. Now, degree of a term basic is cover power of a term, could be anything. This will plays a crucial role when we go something which is crucially important for algebra, combining like terms. So like terms basically means, what it means is you have the same variable, with the same power. You can do operation between. So basically, when you refer like term, it could be even this x and y cube, could be addition and subtraction or multiplication, addition and subtraction. You can go by any term as long as when you go by their power, if they cover the same thing with the same letter, you can do operation between, which we refer specifically addition and subtraction. What does coefficient means? Basically the constant you put in front of the letter, that is your coefficient. Basically, you say to yourself, or when you refer to the math phrase, you say that things or that unknown things multiply by this much or decrease by this much, like it is, 1/3. What does expression means? Basically, expression can be a single, one term, could at least two things, or any way you wish. Basically, combination of terms called expression. You can go by any. You can increase the letters or minus it. Anyway, you can extend this list. What does equation means? When the expression is cover up some unknown, called equation. This is too unknown. It's not easy to solve it's not good an example for the start with. But if you go by this, for example, this will call a later one-step equation. You can go by. How do we differentiate between equation and expression? Equation basically includes expression itself and a constant on the other side. Later on, we will define different type of equations. But for now, you just need to be known when it comes to equation, in at least one part has the algebraic expression, it's equals something. So that's all for today.